Oh, that's funny. I've been calling this pillaring when the material starts bubbling up and gets fuzz balls and stuff. And it's not called pillaring, it's called piling. Pilling. P-I-L-L-I-N-G. Pilling. And this is the pilling machine. Right here. And I've already showed you how to get it off of here. And I don't really have much on here right now, and it's easy to vacuum this up now. But I was looking somewhere and they said you could actually use these things, and remember it's got 3 little adjustments, high, medium, and low. And you get peeling on sweaters. I don't have a sweater here that I can show you, but this is my little sweatshirt. And see, you can kind of see little bits here. And I think we can take this machine. Look at that. Look at that. It's gone. See all of this right in here? There's a piece, there's a piece, there's some more. It's starting to do it. Wow. I never thought I could do it on this. It just takes the fine little pieces off. That's the cutter cutting. You can hear it. Look at that. That's nice. Sweet. I'm liking that. And this, see, it's just a regular old sweatshirt kind of jacket, you know. Keeps me nice and warm, but now I can clean that off. You can do that on sweaters. I even showed you how to do it on the carpet in certain areas. And what else can it do? If you got any kind of material, here's a little bench in here. Now this, right now, it does not have any little pieces on here, but I could clean that off. So it's a pilling machine, P-I-L-L-I-N-G, and I think we got this at Bed Bath & Beyond, and you can probably get it at places like, oh, I don't know, Target maybe, Walmart maybe. You can get them on Amazon probably. This one happens to be Conair. Okay, just that little bit that I did. Let's pull this out. See there? That's just for my shirt, my little jacket. Just that little bit right there. You want to clean that every once in a while, because if it starts backing up too much, then that could prevent you from getting this all taken care of. And it just runs off of a couple little batteries. And that was my pet peeve earlier. I couldn't get all this stuff off of this. And I don't have to vacuum it with this, but you get those little fuzz balls on there. You can vacuum that and vacuum it and vacuum it and keep running your finger trying to get it off. And you just get one of these machines, probably $15 or so for this little machine. And once you do that and get that nice and smooth again, anything that's on there, you can vacuum that stuff right off. Okay? Pilling, not pillaring. All right? Well, there you go. Now you know. Now that I got those fuzz balls all off of this whole bed surrounds, got all that stuff clean, got the top, got the whole headboard and the sides and everything. What am I going to talk about next time? Well, maybe, just maybe, it has something to do with electrical. And this this outlet has been bothering me. See how it's wiggling? This is wiggling. Look at that. And it's pushed in. Can you see how that plug is pushed in, that outlet? Well, I'm gonna fix that. And I'm gonna make a video of it. So watch for it on my channel. How am I gonna do that? Well, you'll see. Just keep watching and knowing that, hey, you don't have to be a professional electrician to fix stuff like this. Just watch my channel and I'll show you how.